はい、こんにちは、Asuka 先生です。Today I'm talking about 見つかる and 見つける, the difference between them. Both words means find, but we use a little bit different way. So, let's check. The first one, 見つかる is in mass form, 見つかります. This is intransitive verb. Do you know this strange grammar term? If you know it, that's great. If you don't know it, no worries. Intransitive verb means it doesn't show any direct object. Okay? So, in this word, 見つかる, it means, it is translated as be found. Alright? And then it doesn't show any, who actually find it. It's things is found. Okay? So, for example, 鍵が見つかりません. It means the key, 鍵, is not found. Yeah? So when we use negative, so for example, if you are searching for something and then you can't find it, we don't say, I cannot find it. We normally say, the thing is not found. Okay? So 鍵が見つかりません. Okay? And then once it is found, we use past tense. 鍵が見つかりました. And it means the key was found. Yes? And then maybe you already notice it. It doesn't show who actually find it. So we use this sentence when we don't care who actually found it. Yes? And then if it's found, that's great. So that's why we just use the key was found. 鍵が見つかりました. It can be the key was found, without any effort, or someone found it, but we don't care to mention who actually found it. 鍵が見つかりました. Okay? And the next one, 見つける, in the mass form, 見つけます. Okay, can you see it? So it is transitive verb, so it actually shows who find something. Okay? So it is used with direct object. So, for example, 田中さんは鍵を見つけました. So, 田中さん, the Mr. or Miss Tanaka found the key. 田中さんは鍵を見つけました. So, that's why we use a past tense and then we show who actually did it and then what this person found. Okay? So, today I'm talking about the difference between 見つかる and then 見つける. So, 見つかる is intransitive verb and then 見つける is transitive verb. So 見つける shows who actually found something. Okay? And then 見つかる, it just mentioned the object itself. Yes? And then the object was found or the object cannot be found. Right? Hope it helps. See you next time. さよなら。またね。